Good morning, students. Today, in this class of English language, I will explain you how can you identify direct and indirect speech. So let's begin. Now first I will explain you how to identify the direct speech. Now let's take an example first. Sumit said, "My mother is happy." Now, in this sentence, the first thing which we notice is use of comma. Direct speech is separated from the rest of the sentence with a comma. Second thing which we notice is the use of inverted commas. The direct speech is always enclosed within inverted commas. Third thing which we notice here is the first word of direct speech begins with a capital letter. So, these three things clearly define that the speech is in direct form. Now let's move further. How to identify indirect speech? Now let's take an example to see it. Sumit said that his mother was happy. Now here, as we clearly see that inverted commas are not used. A comma is also not used to separate the speech from the rest of the sentence. Instead, if required, a conjunction can be used to join the speech with the rest of the sentence. And in this sentence, we have used conjunction that. Then, his and was. His is a pronoun and was is a tense. And we see that they have undergone changes. So, we know that tenses, pronouns and words indicating nearness of time and position undergo changes. So, this is how we can identify the indirect speech form. Now, to more clearly understand the concept of direct and indirect speech, we are taking some examples. Suman said, "I like to dance." In this sentence, we see that comma has been used as a separator between the sentence and the direct speech. Then, the first letter of the speech is in capital form. Third thing is that the exact words of the speaker are enclosed within inverted commas. So, this clearly depicts that the sentence is in direct speech form. Now, let's move further with the next example. Suman said that she liked to dance. In this example, we see that comma, inverted commas are not used. There is no capitalization in the between of the sentence, and a conjunction that has been used to join the sentence with the speech. She is a pronoun and it has undergone change. In the direct speech, that means the actual words of the speaker was I, and here we have used she. Then, liked. In actual words, it was like, but when it is in indirect form, then it has been changed to liked. So, these three things clearly depict that this is an indirect speech. Now, let's take another example. Mohit said, "I have lost my keys." Now here in this sentence we see that again the comma has been used as a separator between speech and the rest of the sentence. Then the first letter of the speech is in capital form. The actual words of the speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. So it is direct speech. Now let's take another example. Mohit said that he had lost his keys. In this sentence we see there is no comma and inverted comma present in the sentence. Second thing we notice is that a conjunction that has been used to join the speech with the rest of the sentence. Then the pronoun I has undergone a change and it has become he. My has become his. There is a change in tense also. Have has been changed to had. So this is indirect speech. Let's take one more example again. Mother asked Rahul, "Did you really enjoy the picnic?" Now in this sentence we can clearly see that comma has been used to separate speech from the rest of the sentence. Then the first letter of the speech is in capital form. Inverted commas are used to enclose the exact words of the speaker. So it is direct speech. Coming to another example. Mother asked Rahul if he had really enjoyed the picnic. Now, in this example, we clearly see that comma, inverted commas are not used. No capitalization is there in the middle of the sentence. And here we have used conjunction if to join sentence with the speech. Then you has been changed to he. And the tense has been changed to had enjoyed. So this clearly depicts that it is indirect speech. I hope children now the concept is clear to you.